Hi guys, today's pour is going to be again a little different. I'm going to be using a spatula. Welcome to my channel, withBade Art. Thank you for subscribing and liking and all the lovely comments. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Hit the subscribe button. So this is normal house paint. So again, as I said, I'm doing things a little differently, which is what I enjoy doing. If you haven't already seen any of my previous videos, please go ahead and have a look. The last one I've done, the last video of the red, black and white flower has actually sold. It's going to its new owner. Happy home. It does look like a lot of paint, but what I'm going to be doing, you're going to need quite a bit on the base. I have pre-mixed all of my paint, and I do have some silicone in, just a few drops. And of course there goes the lawnmower again. Sorry about that, guys. So this is my paint, and I'm going to be doing a flip cup onto the silver tray. In my paint I've used some metallics, metallic silver and metallic grey, metallic silver and bronze or copper. So this is my spatula. So I'm going to be picking up paint . I think I'll start a little off center here. These are really pretty colours together. So I'm just randomly doing a design here. And if you want to, you can pick it up and move it around. I don't really want that all in one spot. So I'm just using a little flat spoon, flat-edged spoon, which actually normally we use these for kiwi fruit. I might just do a little pour over that. I want to pick up all these beautiful cells here. So I'm just gently touching the canvas and letting it pour off on its own. You don't want to rush it. So this does take a little longer, but you know, go ahead and be creative. You know, this gives you the opportunity to do exactly that. I love these cells here. So I think what I'm going to do is, I'm not really happy with this area here. I might just blend that together there, because you know, you don't really want it to look uneven. And I want some of this beautiful red and blue here. Now I love what it's doing already to the white. Hopefully you can see that. All these beautiful little cells and things that are happening. So I'm not quite finished. Oh, this is gorgeous. So you can just manipulate it onto the spatula. I think I might put him here as like a focal point. And this, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can see the coppers. Copper and gold. So my intention is to keep some negative space. These colours together are beautiful. Just trying to see what else I can get from here. Whatever you've got left, you know, instead of wasting it, just do a bit of a dip, and I think that's what I'm going to do. The paint is so pretty, I just I don't want to waste it. So I have an old canvas here, which I love this part here actually. Before I go and do that, I might just take that and use it. Trying to decide where though. It might look good just there. Yep. I'm just trying to get that beautiful cell off there. Come on. There we go. So I'm just going to take this because we don't really want to waste this paint. And just do a reverse dip. Now this tray is not that right, so this is a 12 by 16 inch. I think that is really pretty. It's got some nice stuff going on there and nice colours as well. So if you haven't already tried something like this, you know, I'd love to hear your comments, and you know, if you do try it, what the outcome is. That's beautiful. I love the way all these little cells have formed, the big cells and the little cells. I'm going to be, I think I'm going to be doing quite a bit more of this sort of artwork as well, because I really enjoy it, and being able to manipulate it and put it down wherever you want to is wonderful. Okay, so I'll show you what the little one, the dip, looks like. I actually want to show you what the tray looks like. These are the colours left in the tray. Quite pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the little one that we dipped. To me it sort of looks like a flower. Of some sort. I think if I were to torch it, then you'd probably see, you know, the colours would pop. Those teeny little cells there. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching once again, and I hope you enjoyed this. And let me know in the comments field if you've tried this, or when you do try it, how it's turned out for you. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.